If you guys want to learn how to make some really good homemade chili in 30 minutes or less, stay tuned, guys. Man, this came out so good. Welcome back, everybody. Today I have another easy recipe for you. We're going to be making some homemade chili. We got some ground beef, onion, poblano pepper, beef bouillon, kidney beans, and I can't wait to try it. We're going to be using some tomato sauce that has jalapenos in it. Some tomatoes, chili seasoning packet, and some salt, garlic, and that's about it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our ground beef into our pot. We're trying to make this chili not so greasy. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to fill this up till the water reaches just right above the meat. So you want to go ahead and just start to break up your meat and just not crazy just into smaller pieces. So I got my heat on a max, as hot as it'll go. So we can go ahead and boil this really fast, empty out the water, and then add the rest of our ingredients into the chili. Alright, so after about 10 minutes, it should look something like this. We're gonna go ahead and put our heat down to a medium. I'm just gonna take this big pot over to the sink, and I'm gonna tilt it sideways with a spoon, holding the meat from falling out. Now, we're not getting all the water out. The fatty stuff usually sits at the top. Alright, so we got the majority of the water out, but you can actually still see a little bit of oil in there, but at least we got a lot of it out. Alright, so next we're gonna go ahead and add our 1 can of the tomato sauce, and this tomato sauce has jalapenos in it. Alright, then add our onions in there, nicely chopped up, and then we're gonna add our poblano pepper, nicely chopped up too. We're gonna grind up some garlic cloves. I'm gonna be using 4 garlic cloves today. And then 1 beef bouillon cube. They come in these little packages. It could be any brand though. And then we're gonna add 1 of these chili seasoning mix. And just start giving that a good stir. And if you see any big pieces of meat, just go ahead and break them up a little bit more. Alright, now next we're going to add some diced tomatoes. Some kidney beans. They don't have to be the light red ones. They could be the regular ones. It don't matter what kind of beans really you put in. Whatever beans you like. But for chili, a lot of people use kidney beans. So all we're going to do now is we're going to get this up to a low boil. In 10 minutes, add salt to taste. And then we're just going to boil this for another 10 minutes and we'll be done. It's been 20 minutes. Chili looks awesome and smells amazing. We're going to go ahead and turn it off, and it's done. Go ahead and put some of that in a bowl. Alright, now that I got some of our chili in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and top it off with some shredded cheddar cheese and some sour cream. And there you have it. In about 30 minutes we made this today. That was pretty quick, pretty fast, pretty easy. So if you guys like today's recipe, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Have a good night, guys. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'm gonna dig in. And that actually came out a little bit better than I thought. That's really good. And that wasn't even with the sour cream. That was just with the cheese. Mmm.